Hi, this is our first lesson of Facebook Pixel conversion tracking. So, in this lesson, I will show you the first step of tracking Facebook Pixel conversion. So, the first thing I will do is to connect this website with Google Tag Manager. First, I will complete the browser side tracking and then I will show you server side tracking and then I will implement deduplication and finally I will show you how to improve event match quality. So start it with Google Tag Manager. Open your browser and search for tagmanager.google.com. Now I have already created many container for practice and other courses, and today I will create a fresh container to show you everything from scratch. So just click create container and here is the container name. It is better to name the container matching with the website URL or website name, as this website URL is organic.norealsite.xyz. So I am replacing the dot with dash symbol and the container platform is website, and now click create. Okay, our container is ready to connect with this website. For connecting this website, I will not go with this manual code. I will show you the most easiest way, as this is a WordPress Ecommerce website, so I can do it easily with a plugins. So I am logging into WordPress admin panel. Now navigate to the plugins and select add new plugin. Search here GTM for WP. This is the plugin that will be needed. Just hit the install now button. After installing, click activate. The benefit of using Tag Manager for connecting Facebook Pixel is Google Tag Manager allows you to inject external marketing code to your website, so it will not affect your website code and it will not slow down the performance of your website. So we will do everything inside Google Tag Manager and inject into this website, and the code will be run externally. So the performance of this website will not be affected. Okay, the plugins has been activated. Now it is asking for enter your GTM ID, or you will go for here settings. Here it is asking for Google Tag Manager ID, and this is the Tag Manager ID. You have to copy it and then you have to paste it here. And now click Save Changes. This is a bug, that is, after putting Google Tag Manager ID and clicking Save Changes, the container code automatically turned off. So select on and click Save Changes again. Now it's time to check if the website is connected with this GTM or not. For this, I will use an extension called Tag Assistant Legacy. You will find it from Google. Just type Tag Assistant Legacy. I have already installed it in my browser, so it is showing remove from Chrome. For you, it will ask for add to Chrome. Okay, now enable this and refresh this page. Look, it is showing one tag found and the tag ID is ended with KZ8. KZ8. That means our website is connected with Google Tag Manager successfully. Now it's time to navigate to Facebook and create a Facebook pixel for this website. So go to your business manager and select setting, and now navigate to data sources and select datasets. Now you have to click add, and here you have to name this dataset or pixel. I am naming it organic organic no real site pixel. You can put any name here. I can also name it Green Mart as I have named this website. Okay, I am giving it matching with the URL organic no real site pixel and click create button. Now it will give you some instruction, but I don't need it. Click this pixel and here is the ID. I need it. Just click here and it will be copied. Now go back to Tag Manager and create a variable because we will need this ID several times, so it is good idea to put this value in a variable. Before that, from built-in variable, click configure and enable all variable. It may be needed later. Just check it and it will enable the variable. Okay. Now I will create a user defined variable for putting this pixel ID. So select new and the variable type will be constant because the pixel ID will never be changed, and name this variable that is Facebook pixel ID. Now click save button. Now I will connect Tag Manager with Facebook pixel. Already our website is connected with Tag Manager, and now it's time to connect Tag Manager with Pixel so that Pixel can communicate with this website through Tag Manager. For this, I need two templates. From the templates search gallery, from tag template and search for Facebook pixel. By Facebook archive, select it and add to workspace. And I need another template for variable template, that is event ID by MBAERCH. This will be needed for deduplication. So click add to workspace. Alright, now I'll connect Facebook Pixel with Google Tag Manager. Before that, for event ID, I have to create a variable. So navigate to user defined variable and click new. Here the variable type would be event ID and name it FB event ID. Okay, FB event ID. Okay, now it's time to create a tag. The first tag should be configure tag. So FB pixel config tag, and the tag type should be Facebook pixel, and it is asking for pixel ID as I will be needed it several times. So I have already created a variable and put the ID there. So I will use that here. It is FB pixel ID, and the standard event is page view, and more settings event ID. We have already created variable for event ID. Okay, now trigger. The configured tag should be fired on every page view, so the trigger will be all pages. Now click save and click submit. Remember that if you make any single changes in Google Tag Manager, then you have to publish it. Now it's time to checking. Now click preview button and it will ask for the URL. The URL is https://organic.norealsite.xyz. Click connect. Also here open event manager so that we can check if the pixel is connected or not, and click test event. Okay, here the tag has been fired, a bpixel config tag. So let's check from here. Sometimes it may take times to come here. So just browse another page and look here. The page view event has been appeared and received from browser as it is a browser side tracking. Also, you can check the pixel of this website through another extension of Google Chrome, that is Metapixel Helper. Here it is also showing the page view event, and you will find Metapixel Helper from Google, that is Metapixel Helper. This is the extension for checking. So our website has been connected with Facebook Pixel through Google Tag Manager successfully. In the next lesson, I will show you how you can track view content or view item event. So if you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel, which will inspire me to create new video for you. Thank you.